Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you are going to be learning how to roll back your WooCommerce checkouts to the legacy version. But before we continue, kindly subscribe to my channel. It will help this channel grow faster. Without further ado, let's dive straight to the solution. So first, we're going to look into the problem. So as you can see, for the latest WooCommerce, for you to jump on this video, that means you are already experiencing this issue. So this is the block type pattern for the WooCommerce checkouts, and this block type pattern usually affects some custom plugin developments. That is like the custom shipping, Terminal Africa, they are custom based mode. It is not part of the native block type mode, and there's some payment gateway that also won't work with this block type mode. So for you to resolve that is very simple. So we need to roll back these checkouts to the previous version, that's to the legacy version, and it's going to work perfectly. So to get started, what you need to do is to click on edit page. So when you click on edit page, then this page is going to load up. So let's wait for the page to load up. As you can see, we have this page for us. So once you have this page, just click on the section, click on the entire section. So for you to select the section, you can possibly click on this middle area. So this middle will help you highlight all the sections that has been used. So once this is being highlighted, then the next thing you need to do is to just click on backspace on your keyboard or delete on your keyboard, and that will be removed. And you can also delete it from this option at the top. When you click on delete, that is gone. So what we need to do now is to add the legacy pattern. So you can do the legacy mode in two ways, but the official way is just to search here, search classic. So you search classic, you're going to see classic, regular, classic, but what you just need here is the classic checkouts. So you can also do the same for the carts, classic carts, but here we have what classic checkout. So click on classic checkouts, and it's going to load up the classic checkout data. Now on the pop-up, it's going to ask you to transform it into block, but we don't want to do this because that is what we are using at the moment. So we are trying to transition to the classic checkouts. So once this is done, you've selected classic checkouts. What you need to do is to click on update, and that will be updated. And once it's been updated, then you can view the page. So click on view page, and the view page will load the previous version of the WooCommerce checkout layout. So this layout, which currently work with other custom shipping, Terminal Africa, that is any plugin that is built for a standard layout like this before the block type was introduced, is going to work perfectly, including the payment gateway. So yeah, so that's how you can solve your problem, and I hope this video really helped you so far. So guys, don't forget, once again, subscribe to my channel. It will really help this channel grow faster. See you guys in the next one. Bye. One love.